actually think you alone is dead.
Stop looking, I'm self-conscious.
Really? Because you're recording. It's going on YouTube. Wait, jump in.
This pool has never been this small.
Yeah, Joey, jump
Look at
in.
his ugly hair.
Look at your ugly hair and
So
your
curly.
face and your face.
You got tan, Andrea.
Thank you. My hair's prettier than yours.
I got little freckles on my arm.
Are you gonna video record everybody?
I want him to jump in, but he's being a baby.
He doesn't want to jump in.
Because you're being a baby. Ow, my ears.
What did I do to your ear?
No, it hurts.
Oh.
Because I got that stupid thing in my ear thingy. Joseph.
Wow, I thought it was her rock.
Nice shoe, Kara. Go, you big baby.
You know what Jason was doing on the cruise? He was doing this little tap dance. Going like this.
Big Jason, going like this.
He's looking at the hallway.
So like,
No, it's so funny. He's going like
I hope you know that he's... Yeah, nice one. Duck.
I
Duck.
wasn't really gonna throw it.
oh, go get it. Go get it.
No.
Go get it.
Say hi.
Go get it.
Did you get that on tape?
Yes, I did. I followed it too.
I can't believe you did.
Ew, I got that on tape. I'm Joe.
Yeah, I was saying. Yeah,
He saw a shoe fly in the eye.
Start off on the right foot, Joe.
Yeah, okay.
Shut up, then.
You wish.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Password.
Password.
Go around the other way. Go around the other way. Andrea, hold that one.
Yeah.
Password. Oh, I ran into the trash.
You are so recording. You have to realize.
Is he coming?
I think he's going to the front. Oh wow.
First, he didn't want you were gonna rock. He was gonna come out.
Y'all like idiots.
Say cheese.
Push me.
Look, Andrea, look. Can I show her the thing on your leg?
No.
There's skin on his leg hanging.
Ew.
And it's like a bubble and it fills up. No, stop!
Throw her in.
Stop, 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 stop.
Ah.
You and your ugly skin bubble on.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. I got sushi. Bye.
I'm gonna do it on my head.